What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing a voltage test on our batteries. Make sure we're getting enough charge from the engine. Right now, let's look up here. We're at 12.6 volts. The engine is off. All right, let's go ahead and get our voltmeter hooked up. Make sure it's turned off, of course. Gonna plug in our black right there. Then we are going to plug in the red right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these on here, positive and negative. All right, so we're at 12.7, 12.68. All right, 12.7, okay. That's good. So we're getting 12.6 here. We're gonna go ahead and start the engine and double check to see how much voltage we're getting on the batteries. So when I started up the engine, it was around 13.5 volts. By the time I had got to the battery, it had jumped up just a little bit, just because I didn't measure it at the same time. So doing this with two people is going to be much more effective, obviously, so you can have one person monitoring the voltmeter, and then of course one person up on the dash monitoring what the voltage reading is up there to make sure they match. So that's the best way to do it. It's always a good idea to double check and make sure, put a voltmeter up to your battery, make sure your voltage is adequate, and make sure you're getting an accurate reading on your dash. So with that, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.